Hello, hope you're all doing okay. So most of you that follow me here know that I'm big on geocaching, like most of the people I follow. And I had a Montana 700 and I sold it because it was too big. And I've gone out now and bought myself a Garmin GPSMAP 66SR. So I bought it used, but it's immaculate. And it's got the latest software on it. So I've already uploaded the geocachers onto it, and yeah, brilliant. So I'll be going out in the field using this. That's my plan. I have been using my phone, to be honest, and I think most people probably do use their phones. But as wintertime comes now, I don't want to keep whipping my phone out with a chance of dropping it and breaking it. So for geocaching, I am going to use my Garmin GPSMAP 66SR, and that's an e-clues, and then I will have to get my phone out. But obviously I'll take my action camera with me everywhere I go as normal. So yeah, just thought I'd show you that. Really happy I've got it. I don't know if any of you guys on here have used Garmin GPSs before, but I've used them all through geocaching right back from the Legend. I used to have a Legend, and I went out for a walk somewhere and I put it down on a geocache, walked away, realised I'd not got it, 10 minutes, went back, it disappeared. So the place I'd left it, it weren't there, and I never found it. I retraced my steps, spent ages looking, and it was gone. So yeah, I had one of them, and then I had an E-Trex, the Garmin 62, and then I bought an Oregon 300, an Oregon 550, then the Montana, and then I sold the Montana and bought this one. This is my latest one. So yeah, say in the comments if it's something that you do, if you use a GPS or if you just use your phone. I know now that obviously using the phone's a lot easier. Most people just prefer to use the phones. But you know, I still like to have this. It's still on my backup. I always like to have it with me, because sometimes you do go to places with no signal. So yeah, just thought I'd tell you about that. Thought it interesting little thing you might find interesting. So thank you very much, folks, and see you in the next one. Bye.